Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
All right, let's take a minute to talk troubleshooting. Now, hopefully you never need to use these tips, but if you do, you'll be ready. Now, troubleshooting to me falls into two different categories. One, don't worry, it's totally normal. And category two is you might want to call customer service. Now keep in mind, you don't need to remember every single thing in this troubleshooting unit. It's just to give you sort of a background on if something questionable comes up. All right, let's get into these troubleshooting tips. Specifically, category one, which is don't worry about it, it's totally normal. A little bit of container wobble, totally normal. Next, what about a burning smell? Well, if your Vitamix is brand new, don't worry about it. Think of it like the first time you turn on the heat in the winter. What about if there is a high-pitched chugging noise? Well, if you're making one of those tough recipes like nut butters or frozen desserts, don't worry about it, totally normal. What happens if your Vitamix won't start? Well, first of all, make sure it's plugged in. Next, maybe it had overheated from getting worked too hard in a challenging recipe. Let it sit for 45 minutes to cool. If it still won't turn on then, you could maybe even try to blow a fan on it to manually cool it. And if none of that works, then we might shift into our next category of troubleshooting, which is call customer service. What about a grinding noise? Kind of like gears grinding? Well, this could be a drive socket issue, and in this case, you'll definitely want to call customer service. Okay, what about a high-pitched squeaking noise? Well, this is in the same vein as the grinding noise. It's probably gears and also has to do with the drive socket. So once again, call customer service. Okay, now this is sort of a catch-all, but what happens if you drop a spoon in the container while it's running, or want to extend your warranty, or maybe want to upgrade within that 30-day trial period? Or maybe you just want to talk to someone who's bright and cheery. Call customer service. They're the best in the business and they will take great care of you. Their number is 1-800-VITAMIX. Call them up. You'll talk to a real human in Cleveland, Ohio. They're great. If you have a problem with your Vitamix, they will fix it. And so with that, mark this unit complete and head on over to the next.
Hi guys, this is Shalva Gale with Life is No Yoke. Please subscribe to our channel because it makes my husband very happy. And happy husband, happy life. Right.